As you can see, we have a lot of progress made on this truck. The lift kit is completed, and we've got those 37-inch tires on there. So you can see this guy is sitting up like a monster truck. Absolutely beautiful. So you can see we've got the fuel rims on there. Nice dark tarnished steel on that, so it gives a really good look. And then as I come around the front here, you'll see that we've changed out the grille. So now it's got the black mesh grille, which looks really, really sharp on that front end. A little bit of work left to do. As you can see, we've got the fender flares to go on. We've got a couple more body pieces to go on, a little bit more to do, and then we'll be all set. So again, guys, we're getting close. So here we have it, folks. It is delivery day today, and boy oh boy did this truck come out well. As you can see, obviously we've added those beautiful custom rims and tires, that really sweet Roush decal on the back. We've added the fender flares. We've added this beautiful mesh grille, which came out really well. We've got the hood scoop on there. And again, guys, this truck is just beautiful. The one thing that you can't really see from the outside is the supercharger. So I'll go ahead and just pop the hood open and show you how that guy came out, because it turned out really well. And then I'll start it up for you as well, because it sounds absolutely beautiful. So again, guys, if this is something you're interested in, definitely get down to Donnelly Ford Lincoln. We can completely customize a truck that you're looking for. Anything that you're thinking about, we can definitely get it done for you. And just to top this video off, let me just start this truck up for you real quick. Show you that exhaust. Again, we've got the AEM booster gauge up there. We went over the top with this truck, and again, it came out very, very well. The custom paintwork on the back. Again, guys, if this is something you're interested in, definitely get down here, but check out this Borla. That is amazing. So again, guys, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email and we can certainly set you up with any information you're looking for on a truck like this or any custom truck at all. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.